Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel, and today in this video tutorial you will learn how you can update the dictionary with a new key pair value. And for that, here we will see a three approach, and in those three approach we will use the square bracket, update and dict method to add the or append the key value pair to the dictionary. Now let's start. So here first I want to say append means adding an element to the dictionary, and this element can be key pair value. So let's use the first method, which is square method. Now let's say that you have a user dict or user dictionary which stores the user information like username, row and the age 34. Now let's say you want to add the another key value pair where a key is the city and value is the city name. Now here you can use the square bracket, so you can type here user dict, then use square bracket, and within a square bracket you need to specify the key that you want to add. So in this case we want to add the key city, and then use the equal or assign operator and specify here the value of the specified key, and here the value is the Chicago. Now let's print the dictionary. Print user dict, execute this code, and now here you can see this dictionary contains one more key value which is the city and value is the Chicago. So you can use this method square bracket to add a new key pair or append a new key pair value to the dictionary. So here you need to specify dictionary, then within a square bracket you need to specify the key that you want to add, and after using the assignment operator you need to specify the value for that key. Now this is the very simple and straightforward method. Next, let's see how to do that using the update method. So you can add any element, or even you can add an iterable object to the dictionary, or you can add a key value pair to the dictionary using the update method. Now let me show you with an example. So let's say that this is the user dict, then call the update method on it like this, and within this update function provide the key value pair. Let's say that we want to add a country, so here our key is a country, and then provide a value as a country name, and suppose which is USA, like this. And here you can see I am providing key value pair as another dictionary. Now after this I will print user dict like this, and now as you can see the key value pair added to the dictionary user dict, you can see here in the output. Now you can add more than one key pair value using this, because if you look at this is the complete dictionary. Okay, so which means you can add another dictionary or append another dictionary using the update method. Now let's move to the dict method. So here we will see how to use dict method to update the dictionary. And here I want to tell you one thing, that dict method creates a new dictionary. So let's see. So here use a dict and then equal to call the dict method, and this dict method will create a new dictionary. So we are passing first argument as our old dictionary, which is a user dict that we have created above, and then second argument pass the key value that you want to add. So here you need to specify key like this, like you want to add hobby, the user, like this, and then provide the value like watching anime. Remember, this is the pattern to provide a key value pair within a dict method to add that key value pair to the specified dictionary you can see here. Now let's print the dictionary, print user dict like this, and execute this code. And now you can see it is added at the end of the dictionary, and this key value pair added by dict method. This is how you can update or append a dictionary with a new key pair value in Python. So I hope that you understand, and I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.